window blind is fully open. The seatbelt must be worn whenever the seat passes the sign is illuminated, in front of you or in an overhead bin.
Yeah, so this is where the house is at. So if you want to deliver pizza, you can just knock on the door, no problems. I'll leave it open. Very nice. Guys, I found evidence that the earth is flat. You can see right there, there's the edge. And look, the border, it loops around, then it ends about there. Just a little bit more than that. This is solid proof, guys. Now the naysayers will have nothing to say. So, according to the Italian ministry, this is the most well taken care of garden there is in Italy. I would also give them an award for that. So we've been hearing rumors that this is where the devil worshippers live. Right in that house. You can see it right there. You see right there. That's that house. So we have stored some panna cotta. I didn't really know what to expect. I've eaten here before, but it wasn't this nice then. Very nice. Let's go. Yes, we do very hill climbing. I don't know if you can see, but it's very far down. And we're not even halfway yet. Wow, look at that roof. That's a really old church. Damn. Mountain climbers! Mountain climbers! Hello, is anybody home? So as you can see, we're on the beach. Oh well, if you can call this a beach, I don't really know. It's insanely hot. It's really nice. I just thought I would update you guys. It was a while ago I filmed. I think the last clip, I guess, is when I was climbing the mountain, or whatever you would call it. It's like half of the town, so I guess it's not actually the mountain, it's just upwards. But yeah, so it's hot. I'm sunbathing here. And yeah, just having a great time. I hope you guys are doing well out there. Soup. I'll be walking down the street, walking to the beat. Here comes that boy, shit, what up? Here comes that boy, shit, what up? A little walk in the park. Time to go get some drink and then I'll get some ice cream. Very nice. Now I'm out here in the park on the way to get some ice cream. I just bought some chips. So yeah, let's go. It's extremely hot. I think it's 38 degrees. Well, yeah, that's my little update. See you soon.